of Bacolod Negros Occidental, here is Arben Escayo. And now introducing his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing red trunks, official weight 167 pounds, fighting out of El Norte Boxing Stable, Sucat, Parañaque City, by way of General Santos City, making his professional debut, here is Brian Baron.
Okay, apat na lang po siya umayos, malisip na yun. Ano na siya siya? Hindi, nilabas talaga yung para hindi sa...
Ladies and gentlemen, the official time, 52 seconds of the very first round. We have a winner by technical knockout victory, Arben Escayo. A round of applause for our